chassis components are working behind the scenes. They wear out gradually, which is not noticeable for the driver right away. However, driving safety can be at risk when parts like the suspension strut mount or the tie rod are damaged. Therefore, the experts of ZF Services recommend a chassis check on a regular basis to ensure that the driver is back on the road, safe and comfortable. If the steering behavior is unstable or if uncommon noises occur during driving, chassis parts might be affected. While moving the wheel, pop sounds can be heard clearly. The workshop expert knows many different installation steps are needed. Taking off the wheel, assembling the suspension strut, detaching the stabilizer, it's worth the effort. In this case, a faulty suspension strut mount as well as worn-out tie rod joints were the reason for the unsafe steering behavior and the pop sounds. The suspension strut mounts needs to be turned easily and silently. Only like that, the suspension strut is movable. In most cases, a rubber metal component is used in series vehicles. This ensures the needed stability as well as the required flexibility and rotatability. The experts of ZF Services recommend using products in OEM quality when replacing a component. The established ZF Services product brand Lemförder offers spare parts that are aligned with the respective vehicle and collaborate perfectly with the surrounding components. Tie rods are also parts of the chassis which are affected by wear. Each pothole, every little barge with the wheels at the curb are slowly damaging the tie rod. As in this case, worn-out tie rod ends can be the result. The workshop expert recognizes the need for action. This error can affect the axle geometry without the driver noticing. The consequence? Unstable and unsafe driving behavior. A thorough chassis check is worth the effort. Expensive follow-up costs can be avoided. The final chassis measurement shows all figures are in the target range. Replacing the suspension strut mount and the tie rod joints in time can increase the safety as well as driving comfort.